In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. This is a quick process that should take about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Stripe login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Now remember to use a strong password for security purposes, something that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After filling in your login credentials, go ahead and hit that sign in button again to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. It's a hub for all your payment activities, so make sure you're on the home page for easy navigation. From here, you will want to move your attention to the settings option. You can usually find this icon. It looks like a gear somewhere on the left hand side of the dashboard. A simple click will take you to more detailed settings. Within the settings section, you're looking for product settings. This is integral because here you can manage various aspects of your Stripe environment. Under product settings, you will see a section labeled payments. Click on this to delve into your payment options. Now here comes the exciting part. You're going to see a tab or menu labeled payment methods. So go ahead and click on that. It's in this section where we'll get access to Google Pay. Scroll through the options until you find Google Pay listed among other payment methods. To activate Google Pay for your Stripe account, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn this toggle on. If the switch turns from grey to a colour, usually blue or green, it means your Google Pay is now activated. And just like that, Google Pay is ready for use in your Stripe account. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Activating Google Pay in Stripe is a simple but effective action to improve your payment solutions. It's worth noting that by turning on Google Pay, you're offering more flexible payment options to your customers, which can lead to a smoother checkout experience and potentially more sales. If you followed along, you should now have Google Pay activated and ready to use. If you encountered any issues or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to the Stripe support team. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.